开始吧。然后如果是上面挨到，下边没有挨
If
到
the upside has touched the live, and this side don't touch the live, then
就需要把这个稍微给它松一点，给它拧松。
这个是吧？
啊，对，这个松一
You
点。
need to lose this screw. Lose this screw.
然后把这个给它拧紧
And tighten this
给它
screw.
顺身紧一下。
Actually, there are two kind of screw. The 1, 2, 3 is down. Down it means you have to connect the stone. If you tighten it, then the stone will up. We tighten it. And this one, 1, 2, 3, the up screw. When you tighten it will press the stone down. The press it, adjust the angle of the stone.
就是它，这你给解释了，然后这个是往下顶的，然后这个是往上拉的，这个你说了是吧？然后就需要这个调节它，然后调节一点点之后，就是跟他说拧一点点，微调。
Every time you only need to adjust the liter.
然后调这个，然后再推进去，然后再看，再看
and check it.
如果是 OK 了，然后下来就。
And you can turn around the stone and fade.
对。
And you can move, spin the marker, spin the pen, mark the color on double face. Then press it and turn around. Check the marker, check the both side marker.
对，那就这样差不多。
So after you think the upside and the downside, this face and this face both same, both shaping same, so it's okay. 好的，来了。
那就 OK。